In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the knock sensor on this Fiat 500. It's located on the back side of your engine. We'll access it from underneath. Let's get started. From underneath the vehicle, go up between the exhaust pipe and the subframe, right above the CV axle, and we'll reach the knock sensor that way. And once you reach all the way up there, you'll see the knock sensor on the side of the engine block with that yellow lock on the connector. With a pocket screwdriver, I'm going to push that yellow lock out. Once I've pushed it out, I can press on the black tab, which is what unlocks the connector, and pull it off of the knock sensor. All right, there we go. Now let's use a 13mm socket and remove the bolt that's in the center of the knock sensor to remove it from the engine. Remove the bolt completely and pull the sensor out with the bolt. Inspect the mounting surface of the knock sensor. Wipe it down with a clean rag just to make sure that there's no debris in the way. And once you've done that, you can take your new sensor with the bolt and slide it right up into position. And it's going to be a little difficult to see what you're doing here, but you can get a little tiny window once you put your arm up to see through, and you want to thread that bolt on by hand. Make sure it doesn't cross thread or anything. Make sure everything is seated correctly. And as you tighten this knock sensor, you want to make sure that it is facing in the right direction for the connector so that you can actually connect it. Now, what you can do to ensure that is get it close by hand. And once you've mostly bottomed it out, you can plug it in and the connector should hold it where it needs to be. That clicked. I'm going to lock it in since I'm here. There we go, that's locked. Now let's tighten this bolt up and torque it to 18 foot-pounds. Let's torque this to 18 foot-pounds. And that's it right there. Double check everything, job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.